When it comes to blending, chopping, and making perfectly smooth drinks or purees, this Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro with BlendSense Technology is a game changer. This powerful kitchen appliance is designed to handle the toughest ingredients, offering unparalleled versatility, precision, and convenience. With an 1800 peak watt motor, a 72 ounces pitcher, and intelligent features that make blending a breeze, this blender is a must-have for any kitchen. The Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is not just a powerhouse in terms of performance. It also boasts a sleek and modern design that fits perfectly into any kitchen setting. The blender comes in a matte black finish that exudes elegance and professionalism, making it an attractive addition to your countertop. 72 ounces full-size pitcher is made from durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring that it can handle both hot and cold ingredients without cracking or warping. This large capacity pitcher is perfect for making big batches of smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks, whether you're preparing for a family breakfast or a summer party. One of the standout design features of this blender is the innovative BlendSense technology. The intuitive dial on the blender base provides real-time feedback, informing you of the mode the blender is currently in. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to blend with confidence and precision. The heart of the Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is its powerful 1800 peak watt motor base. This motor is designed to power through the toughest ingredients with ease, whether you're blending frozen fruits, crushing ice, or chopping hard vegetables. The motor delivers consistent and reliable performance, ensuring that every blend is as smooth as possible. What sets this blender apart from others on the market is its BlendSense technology. This intelligent technology automatically adjusts the speed and time based on the ingredients you're blending, ensuring perfectly smooth results every time. Whether you're making a delicate smoothie or a hearty soup, the blender takes the guesswork out of the process, delivering professional quality results with minimal effort. One of the most appealing aspects of the Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is its versatility. This blender is not just for smoothies. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle a variety of tasks, from making frozen drinks to processing food for your favorite recipe. The blender features single-touch preset programs that allow you to easily switch between different tasks. The presets include options for chopping, blending, and processing ingredients in the 72 ounces pitcher. For example, the one-touch chop programs are perfect for making salsa, guacamole, or other chopped dishes, while the blending presets are ideal for creating smooth, creamy texture. In addition to the preset programs, the blender also offers variable speed control. This feature allows you to manually adjust the speed to achieve the perfect consistency for your recipe. Whether you need a slow, gentle mix or a fast, powerful blend, the variable speed control gives you complete control over the blending process. One of the standout features of the Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is its ease of use. The blender's intuitive controls and preset programs make it incredibly simple to operate, even for those who are new to blending. The BlendSense technology further simplifies the process by automatically adjusting the speed and time for the best results, so you don't have to worry about overblending or underblending your ingredients. The blender's large dial is easy to turn, and the digital display provides clear, real-time feedback, making it easy to monitor the blending process. The blender's base is also designed to be stable and secure, preventing it from moving around on the countertop during use. Cleaning the Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is also a breeze. Pitcher, lid, and blades are all top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The smooth surfaces of the blender's components ensure that food particles don't get stuck, so you can be sure that your blender is thoroughly cleaned after each use. For those who prefer to hand wash, the large pitcher and removable blades are easy to rinse and clean with warm, soapy water. Ninja is known for making high-quality kitchen appliances, and the TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is no exception. The blender is built to last, with durable materials and components that are designed to withstand regular use. Ninja also offers a warranty on the TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro, providing peace of mind that your investment is protected. Should any issues arise, Ninja's customer service team is available to assist with repairs or replacements, ensuring that you're fully satisfied with your purchase. Conclusion: the Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro with BlendSense Technology is a top-of-the-line kitchen appliance that offers exceptional performance, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or chopping vegetables, this blender delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. Powerful 1800 peak watt motor, combined with the intelligent BlendSense technology, ensures that you can handle any blending task, confidence, and precision. If you're looking for a blender that can do it all, the Ninja TB201 Detect Power Blender Pro is an excellent choice. Its combination of power, versatility, and smart technology makes it a standout option in its category, providing great value for your money. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.